Every single one, from tech billionaires to real estate moguls, had these 7 habits in common. But habit number 3, 99% of people refuse to do it, and that's exactly why they stay broke. Here's how I did it. I analyzed Forbes lists, interviews, and biographies to uncover patterns. The results? Honestly, shocking. Habit number 1, early risers. 73% of millionaires wake up before 6 a.m. Tim Cook, 4:30. Richard Branson, 5:45. Why? It's about focus, not just discipline. Discipline yourself to make a difference. Habit number 2, voracious readers. Almost all read 50 plus books a year. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages daily. Bill Gates, 50 books yearly. They don't just read, they learn and apply. So reading and applying is key. Habit number 3, strategic networking. 85% attend industry events every month. They give before they get, quality connections over quantity. Strategies work better when carefully planned in business. Habit number 4, invest in themselves. Millionaires invest 3% of their income in learning, courses, coaches, seminars. The ROI, massive. That's a proven method of success because learning never ends. Habit number 5, systems, not just goals. They focus on systems, not just goals. Bezos and Musk, obsessed with process. Systems create repeatable success. Become someone who actually applies it. Habit number 6, failure. Data. The average millionaire failed 3.8 times before making it. They see failure as data, not defeat, so think differently. Habit number 7, energy, time. They optimize for energy, not just time. Peak performance isn't about working more. It's about working at your best. Give yourself a reason to work and do it with full determination. Which habit will you start today? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more millionaire secrets.